Visualizing vocabulary. Unlocking the power of your imagination. Hey there! Are you ready to learn a powerful tool for expanding your vocabulary? Today, we'll dive deep into a mnemonic technique called visualizing words and meanings. This tool can transform your vocabulary building journey, making it both enjoyable and memorable. Visualization is the act of creating a mental image or picture in your mind. Our brains are wired to remember images more effectively than abstract concepts or words. When we tie a new word to a vivid image, it anchors that word in our memory, making it easier to recall later. 1. Emotion. When you visualize, you often tie emotions to the image. Emotionally charged memories tend to stick better. 2. Unique connections. By creating unique, often wacky, images, you make the words stand out in the vast sea of vocabulary. 3. Engages multiple senses. Visualizing can engage more than just your sense of sight. You might imagine sounds, textures, or even smells associated with the image. 1. Choose a word. Let's say you're trying to remember the word ephemeral, which means lasting for a very short time. 2. Break it down. Separate the word into syllables or parts. Ephemeral. 3. Create an image. Think of an image that reminds you of the word or sounds like the word. For ephemeral, you might imagine a fairy, sounds like ephem, that fades away quickly. 4. Strengthen the association. Really focus on the image. The fairy is shimmering, maybe glowing, but she's fading away rapidly, just as something ephemeral would. 5. Repeat. The more times you revisit this image, the stronger the association will become. Whenever you hear ephemeral, you'll think of that fading fairy. 1. Be vivid. The more detailed and colorful your image, the better. 2. Add emotion. If you can associate a feeling with the image, it will be even more memorable. 3. Exaggerate. Make things bigger, louder, or more dramatic than they really are. 4. Use humor. Funny images or situations tend to be memorable. 5. Practice. The more you use this technique, the better you'll get at it. Try visualizing a few new words every day. Visualization is a powerful tool in your vocabulary building arsenal. By tapping into the brain's natural love for images and stories, you can make learning new words an engaging and enjoyable experience. We hope this technique unlocks a world of words for you. Keep practicing, keep imagining, and as always, happy learning.